birthday phela wena. So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Happiness and welcome back to yet another episode of Life with Happiness. So today is Thursday and it's my birthday and we're doing my hair. Okay, besties, I'm not sure if I'm gonna be vlogging because I'm so shy. But okay, I'll show you guys when I'm done. I'm so excited. And guys, the love that I'm receiving. I think it's you. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Happiness, aka birthday girl. Ibirthday ayiphela wena. Okay, so guys, today is my birthday, and okay, honestly, I don't know how to feel. This girl is looking at me, and I'm so shy, guys. I'm so shy. Let me wear my shades now, because you know. Guys, this is how my installation looks. I'm not even gonna ask you guys where the lace is, because the lace is here. It's visible. But let me wear my yeah bo guys, yeah. Kanjani manje, like kanjani manje. Okay guys, so what did I do for my birthday? So I went to campus in the morning, and after that I went to install my hair, and then after that I came back to my room, and then I decided to go to the mall. So I got a few things. Okay, so we're just gonna create some content. I'm not sure if I'm gonna create that content with you guys. Okay, obviously not, but then I'll share the clips with you guys. Why not? My lighting is not giving because my LED light is off. But guys, look at my shades. I'm trying to the body. I'm penny. Yo. It's
keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to keep it a whole 100. Don't got you, I got nothing. I got something. Hold up, we gon' function. No assumptions. Feeling like ice on. Without ice on. Only for the night, I'm just kidding. Only for life, yeah. Only for life, yeah. Only for life, let's get it. Hit that shoulder, I know what coming over me. Extra overseas. I know what you need. Already on.
good morning in the Monza. So hi guys, welcome back to my video. So I wanted to update you guys on what has been like going on. Okay, so I think this vlog, there's gonna be a lot of yapping because there is no action. Like, I'm just living in the moment. Okay, so on Thursday, what did I do? I think I told you guys what I did. Okay, and Friday I only went to school and I didn't vlog. So after school, I was supposed to go to MGB for lunch with my dinner with my friends, but I couldn't because I then got an order, right, from a customer, and then I went to attend that, and so yeah. And Saturday I went to Elias Nefare, like it's a resort kind of thing. So I took a few clips, but then honestly I couldn't take everything because I was with people that I don't know, okay? And obviously I can't just be filming everything, okay? So basically I was just living in the moment, like. And then today is Sunday and I just came back, so slept there. So yeah, guys, I have a problem, like my lace is lifting. I think I'm gonna uninstall and reinstall, okay, so that it can last me maybe a week or so, and maybe I can go for a middle part, I'm not sure. And then guys, my lashes are coming off. Like, look at this eye, like kanjani manje, like kanjani manje. Like every day when I wake up, like I wake up to lashes that have fallen off. I'm so tired. And guys, this that I don't know what happened me, but look at this nail. I think I'm going to ask the lady who did my nails to at least allow me to come and redo this nail, even though if it's not like, it doesn't have this design, okay? Like maybe just a French thing, I think that's also okay. So yeah, that's just about it. And then later on we're gonna go to Blomanati to chill there, so I will vlog. For now I just want to sleep because I'm so tired, okay? I'm so tired, but either way we will talk, guys. I love you so much. So I just realized that I didn't close off the vlog, and another thing is I didn't really specify what I was doing, right? So on Monday I went out with my friend. We went to News Cafe because on Friday we were supposed to go out, but then we couldn't go out. So yeah, we ended up going out on Monday. We went to News Cafe. And let me rate my food. So I ordered a reverse burger thingy. I have to pour like this other sauce on top of it, and guys, that sauce was not nice. Like I didn't even, oh my god. But then the burger was it was fine, it wasn't bad. It's just that it was so dry. So I would rate it a 4 out of 10. But then the wine, it's always a 10 out of 10. Because why? I think I'm starting to like Melot, and I hate it for me because that wine is not nice. Like it's so strong. I didn't stand. So yeah. So let me close up this vlog. I love you guys and thank you guys for watching my birthday vlog. I know I didn't do a lot of things just as I hoped to, but that's okay. That's okay. Like that's fine. Like that's fine. So yeah, and I also removed my lashes as you guys can see, but that's not a transmission. So yeah, bye guys.